Custom, yo rubber. Custom, you know see them a just come. The six them full of be a custom. Yeah man. The six them full of be a custom. Then, I'm done. Yeah.
Starting off the look, I'm going into my Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette. And I'm just going to take the color Rustic and apply that as a transition color.
Custom whip, man a push a gram, and a puff gum, and it's the chase rum. Man a loyal six brother, winner just cup. Them young who the gas, them a musty pet cup. Me catch the next level fever, me have the symptom. And winner now man like down syndrome. 6 mil a day, that time me income. And the six them hotter than when love at the butt. Yeah, talk to me nice, Fenty punches bro, gut check the price. Watch them up, watch it out. Man a creep up on them.
We're now going to take the color Cypress Umber from the palette and we're going to apply it all over the lid, focusing a lot on the outer corners.
Detect the 6 light, next level, 6 level with the panna higher i6 real combined with Air Force Night. Man a top chopper, I'm a non-top ball client. OSJ, them know we are giant. Custom shirt, custom pants, custom belt, custom shoes, custom hat. Custom, my thing when daddy want touchdown. Custom beamer, custom crown, custom market, custom. Believe me, I've girl where you custom. I'm a thing when daddy want touchdown. Yeah. Speaking of custom, everything new me nah fi dust down. iPhone that mix with the Samsung, get a girl easy, me nah fi random. We travel with 6 pocket and 6 condoms. Some of them girl yeah travel with handgun. Din tell a bad girl they fi calm down. Can't bring the 6 reputation, gargle. Custom shirt.
I'm now going to cut my crease a bit using my Fenty Beauty Concealer in the number 360.
Detect the 6 light, next level, 6 level with the panna higher i6 real combined with Air Force Night. Man a top chopper, I'm a non-top ball client. OSJ, them know we are giant. Custom shirt, custom pants, custom belt, custom shoes, custom hat, custom. My thing when daddy want touchdown. Custom beamer, custom crown, custom market, custom. Believe me, I've girl where you custom. I'm a thing when daddy want touchdown. Yeah. Speaking of custom, everything new me nah fi dust down. iPhone that mix with the sound.
Now using my fingers, I'm going to take the color Orange Soda in the same palette just to set that concealer. Now everything that we did on my right eye, we're just going to repeat all those steps on my left.
Song get a girl easy, me nah fi random. We travel with 6 pocket and 6 condoms. Some of them girl yeah travel with handgun. Din tell a bad girl they fi calm down. Can't bring the 6 reputation, gargle. Custom shirt, custom pants, custom belt, custom shoes, custom hat. Custom, my thing when daddy want touchdown. Custom beamer, custom crown, custom market, custom. Believe me, I've girl where you custom. I'm a thing when daddy want touchdown. Yeah, custom whip, man a push a gram, and a puff gum, and it's the chase rum. Man a loyal 6 brother, winner just cup. Them young who the gas, them a musty pet cup. Me catch the next level fever, me have the symptom. And winner now man like down syndrome. 6 mil a day.
Time for the glitter. We're going to take a Morphe lip liner pencil brush and we're just going to use my NYX Glitter Glue to outline the area I wanted the glitter to be, which would be my crease. Then for glitter, I'm using my NYX Loose Glitter in silver. I'll come back with the finished look with my foundation all completed and everything pretty much put together.
that I'm me income. And the 6 them hotter than when laugh at the butt. Custom shirt, custom pants, custom belt, custom shoes, custom hat, custom mud thing when.
And here we have the finished look, my version of a glitter crease. Thank you all for staying with me throughout this entire video. Hope you like it. Please don't forget to leave a thumbs up, subscribe, turn on that notification bell because there's more content coming your way. Peace, love, and blessings.